The iQOO 15 launched last October, and the brand is now already busy working on its successor, which unsurprisingly will be called iQOO 16. The name is now confirmed courtesy of the GSM Association's IMEI database. According to tipster Smart Pikachu on Weibo, the iQOO 16 is currently being tested with a 200-megapixel main camera. For comparison, the iQOO 15 features a 50-megapixel primary sensor, paired with a 50-megapixel periscope lens. It could feature the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor along with a large battery that will use 2nm chips could start at around 5,000 yuan. The tipster also suggests that the iQOO 16 will retain a 2K display. For now, we'll have to wait for more leaks to shed light on the iQOO 16's internals. iQOO aims to ship the 16 with a 9,000 mAh battery, expected to start at 5,000 Chinese yuan in China with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The iQOO 16 is expected to launch in Q4 2026, with 100W wired and 40W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.